Hi, welcome to my channel. I am doing just a real quick Etsy restock on some bundles of really vintage greeting cards. I will have 3 bundles of Valentines and then 2 bundles of birthday. So let me go through them. I'll start in the right order here. So this is bundle number 2, and I'm just gonna flip through them really quick. I'll probably just put some music on, and just so that you can see every single one. I'm not gonna, open up every one of them, but they, most of them all have signatures, or they have, like this one here. So like this one here, for instance. The back of it looks like it was, in a scrapbook, so some of the pages might have residue, or maybe a few of them are torn, but most of them are not. Most of them are all, intact. They're like this, that they've been taken out, but it's still in there. These are very old, but most of them are all, pretty much intact. So anyway, so let's go through it. This is bundle number 2. Alright, this is Valentine's. So let's just do it this way. Okay, those were all the bundles. The Valentine's bundles have 27 cards. The birthday bundles have 22 cards. Alright, so I'll link my Etsy shop down below, and go get yourself some vintage cards. Alright, thank you so much. Bye.